What is up, Crypto Clan? It's your mate Aussie Crypto Trader coming to you live from the land down under. Okay, Clan, today we're going to cover a few topics. We're going to have a look at the CoinCap marketplace and the big slide that's going on with some of our most favourite coins. We're going to take a trundle over and have a look at my Bitconnect account and show you that even the most poor man can still participate and keep the dream alive. I'm going to show you guys, and maybe even perhaps first timers, on how to get to the Bitconnect site. Show you just how friendly it is and how easy it is to use. So without further ado, let's check out the CoinCap marketplace. Basically what I wanted to have a look at today was the big downward spiral on Bitcoin. Since Bitcoin, I would have to say, is one of the most popular forms of cryptocurrency out there at the moment, along with Ethereum and Litecoin as well. As we can see here, guys, holy mackerel, she is down 3,797 and 22 cents. It wasn't long ago, last week, that we saw that it was tipping the 5,000 a dollar mark, Australian wise. So with the volatility of things, we can really see that at the moment things are on a bit of a downward spiral. What we can do is hold our breath, guys, and have faith that this is what happens in this kind of a market, and that it will come out of this trough and start to work its way back up again. Now that we've had a look at Bitcoin Clan, we can have a look at the other coins, our other favourite altcoins that we've got here. And as we can see, right across the board, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dash, just about all of them are all on a slide down at the moment. And we're just going to have to be patient, hold our breaths, and have a bit of faith that in this market we don't need to do anything silly like selling. We just need to keep hodling. Number 13, it's good to see that good old Bitconnect coin is holding at 112.76 cents. And Neo, well, you should really have a look at Bo's Cryptocurrency Australia site when you get a chance. He covers all of this in depth and really, really well. His research is fantastic. But as we can see, everything basically is on a bit of a slide down. So like I said, keep the faith, guys, and know that with the volatility of these kinds of markets, you can be rest assured that it'll come out of this trough and start to work its way back up again to being to where some of the prices and things that we know them to be should be. I also noticed too that Bitconnect happens to be at the top of the page. So, as I've invited you along on my journey onto the poor man's Bitconnect, let's go and have a look. As you notice, they're talking about BCC lending, BCC mining, and of course, the most promising cryptocurrency. Well, let's go across and have a look. For some of you, this might be your first time, so let's go and see what Bitconnect has to offer. And here we are. We have a nice, easy to read page. The format's laid out quite legibly and easy for us to understand. At the top left hand side of the page, we have the price of Bitcoin. And that's always there, because the two trading forms of currency for the Bitconnect platform is at the moment Bitcoin and Bitconnect coin. When we see the Bitconnect coin, it varies maybe by $1 from site to site, but here on Bitconnect it's $113 roughly. So if we go across, we can see we have home, we have the Bitcoin news, and that's very, very important, because in this little area, this little drop down catalogue here, you're going to find everything that's to do with the businesses, the technologies of crypto, Bitcoin technology, the regulations that surround some of these coins and some of these sites and things that are happening. Of course, very important, the events. Just a heads up reminder that Bitconnect is also going to be a gold sponsor at North America's biggest blockchain expo event coming up in November. So this gives me for you first timers out there, this gives us the peace of mind that we would need to be thinking that Bitconnect certainly isn't a scam. One, because they have their own coin, which gives them the stability that they need for things to be viable trade-wise. And two, that they're making plans after the roadmap to continue on into the new year, 2018, with more ideas.